What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 US cities primed for real estate investment in 2025, places where your money could work harder than ever. I've done the research, crunched the numbers, and talked to the experts, so you don't have to. Grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. First up, Austin, Texas, a city that's become the epicenter of America's tech boom. Once known for its live music and laid-back vibe, Austin has rapidly transformed into a magnet for innovation and opportunity, drawing attention from across the globe. Major players like Tesla, Oracle, and Apple are fueling explosive job growth, drawing in top-tier talent and driving up demand for housing. These companies are not just opening offices, they're building entire ecosystems, creating thousands of high-paying jobs, and attracting a wave of skilled professionals. Austin's unique culture, no state income tax, and business-friendly climate make it a magnet for both companies and new residents. The city's vibrant music scene, outdoor lifestyle, and welcoming community add to its irresistible appeal, making it a place where people truly want to live and work. The result? Soaring property values and rental rates. Real estate here is hotter than ever, with homes selling quickly, and prices climbing to new heights, reflecting the city's surging popularity. For investors, Austin offers a rare mix of high-paying jobs, rapid population growth, and a lifestyle people crave. The influx of new residents means more demand for housing, retail, and services, creating a dynamic environment for long-term investment. The fundamentals are rock solid, with a strong economy and a resilient housing market that continues to outperform expectations. In 2025, Austin isn't just a smart bet, it's a powerhouse, leading the nation in growth, innovation, and opportunity for those ready to seize it. Next, we turn our attention to Raleigh, North Carolina, a city that often flies under the radar, yet is quietly emerging as one of the most stable and promising markets on the entire East Coast. Known for its welcoming neighborhoods and vibrant community life, Raleigh offers a unique blend of southern charm and modern innovation. Anchored by the world-renowned Research Triangle, the city boasts a diverse and resilient economy, with thriving sectors in technology, biotech, and advanced manufacturing, all supported by top-tier universities and research institutions. Housing here remains surprisingly affordable, but the potential for growth is enormous, fueled by a steady influx of highly educated professionals and ambitious entrepreneurs seeking new opportunities. Low vacancy rates and steadily rising rents make Raleigh a true cash flow haven for savvy investors, whether you're interested in single-family homes or multifamily properties. With forward-thinking city planning and major investments in infrastructure, Raleigh is laying the groundwork for a sustainable, connected future that will benefit residents and investors alike. For those looking to get in early and grow alongside a dynamic city, Raleigh stands out as a hidden gem with immense long-term potential. Heading to Florida, Tampa is rewriting the script with a booming, diversified economy. Corporate relocations are bringing thousands of high-paying jobs, and Florida's no-state income tax is a huge draw. Demand for housing is outpacing supply, pushing up both property values and rents. Massive projects like Water Street Tampa are transforming the city and attracting even more residents and businesses. For investors, Tampa offers strong rental yields and appreciation potential. The city's growth is no longer just a trend, it's a transformation. Tampa is a top-tier market for 2025. Number 2 is Nashville, Tennessee, a city that's evolved far beyond its Music City roots. It's now a major healthcare and tech hub with a resilient, diversified economy. Population growth is surging, driven by job opportunities and a vibrant, affordable lifestyle. Nashville's culture and energy make it a magnet for young professionals. Consistent demand keeps property values and rents climbing. For investors, it's a golden opportunity in a city with proven staying power. Nashville's future looks brighter than ever. And, at number 1, Phoenix, Arizona. This city, once a quiet retirement haven, has completely transformed its identity in just a few short years. Once known for retirees, Phoenix is now a magnet for tech and advanced manufacturing, with giants like Intel and TSMC investing billions. These massive projects are turning the city into a global center for innovation and high-tech jobs, drawing attention from around the world. The city's affordability, booming job market, and great weather are drawing in new residents at record rates. People from across the country are flocking here, eager to take advantage of the opportunities and vibrant lifestyle Phoenix now offers. Housing demand is sky high, with prices and rents rising fast. New neighborhoods are springing up almost overnight, and competition for homes is fierce as buyers and renters rush to stake their claim. For investors, Phoenix offers strong cash flow, low vacancies, and long-term appreciation. The rental market is thriving, and property values are expected to keep climbing as the city grows. The Silicon Desert is real, and the growth is just getting started. Phoenix is rapidly evolving, with new industries and opportunities emerging every day. Phoenix is cementing its place as a 21st-century economic powerhouse, attracting talent, investment, and innovation from every corner of the globe. In 2025, it's the hottest market in the country, and all signs point to even more explosive growth ahead. There you have it. Austin, Raleigh, Tampa, Nashville, and Phoenix, the top 5 cities for real estate growth in 2025. Use this list as your launchpad, but always do your own research and due diligence. What do you think? Did your city make the cut? Drop a comment below, and let's talk. If you found value here, hit like and subscribe for more insights every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.